Damn it!
What'd you forget?
I got my reading glasses on. Everything's blurry. Yeah.
Phone's on silent.
I don't have my phone.
Mic check.
Check, 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 check.
Check.
All right.
Belly check. Bend and snap.
We're recording.
I know you are.
In the Z effect.
Oops. Earthquake.
So we got lots of comments. A lot of comments about how crappy our sound guy is.
I know.
That's the only comments we get on the.
Only comments we get is they got to get a new sound guy.
Was there actually a comment saying that?
No.
Because technically that's the editor's fault.
No.
And then the publisher's fault. To let it get past that point.
Nope. Afraid not.
Actually, it all rests on the director. Crap, I already said I was
I think it's a camera sound guy.
The camera sound guy.
Should probably put that on.
Yeah. That wasn't all reverb and stuff. That was just food crunching in the background.
His belly.
I was over there that day.
His belly going.
Bags crunching as he.
Bags of chips.
Quiet on the set.
Could have been this the whole time.
What?
The standard definition cable causing the problem.
You just ruined it now.
Cheers.
Welcome, everybody.
How are you today?
Good.
We're back. We're back. We missed an episode because we actually trashed a couple episodes.
Yeah.
We progressed in our recording. Are you okay back there? Okay.
Uh-huh.
We have like our sound guy, who is to blame for everything.
No, I
Coughing
would not.
over there. And then we have a dog over there whining. We can never get a good video recording. So the last few episodes, we apologize greatly.
Yeah.
We worked really hard to kind of clear things up, but it's really difficult to, at this stage in our busy schedules, to re-record episodes.
Yeah, that bugged me, and I don't even watch our episodes.
So we let a couple of the Wednesday Kaluas go by. I think I still got one that we need to redo. And we let one or two.
The McCormick.
The McCormick
whiskey.
definitely was just, we should have just canned that one too. But you know, it was only a $9, $6 whiskey.
Yeah.
So it deserves the quality. Oh, wait. Sorry. McCormick, you're pretty good.
Just alienating companies, are we?
No, actually, we enjoyed the McCormick for
Yeah,
a common man.
The price, and I learned that the distillery.
But we
does a
came
lot of
to
stuff.
a decision that you have a friend.
Hi. Hi.
So there's a rather large dog looking at him.
A polar bear?
We came to a decision to not air the episodes that we still had. In fact, I didn't even edit any. Because the sound was just horrible.
Bad.
And we already have enough problems with chickens and dogs and Cody getting crackers and chips and wrestling stuff.
Just crackers?
So we are actually redoing an episode that we had filmed, Virus Vodka.
Mm-hmm.
And so, yeah, I just got our notes from our previous one so we can look at this and kind of talk about what we gave. so we don't have to go through the
Okay.
whole.
And I found their website and their homepage. They talk a whole bunch about 6,000 years and vampires and zombies and
marketing.
and werewolves and
Gotta wipe the dust off because we're still doing construction. You notice one of my walls behind me. We don't have our curtains up. One of them is not painted yet. And I got another bookshelf to go there. So everything's really dusty.
so just off their website, it says it's gluten free.
What is gluten?
It's something in wheat. I don't know what the hell.
Something in weed.
Wheat.
Oh, wheat.
It's GMO free,
What's GMO?
genetically modified something or another.
I'm asking these questions because obviously I don't know what any of that stuff is.
Ultrasonic filtered, 3 times distilled, kosher, American owned and operated.
Kosher?
Kosher.
Kosher means it wasn't used around peanuts and pigs.
Milk and stuff.
Milk,
like
yeah,
that.
dairy products and stuff.
So
It's a funny
and
thing to
there
say
was
about
there's
vodka.
not a lot of information on their website, but I found on a couple of Total Wine, it's $27. I found another liquor store that it was, I don't even know where. Liquorama. That sounds like
Liquorama, $21.99.
yeah.
Yeah, that's the price that we had written down when we recorded this episode a few weeks ago.
And it's 80 proof.
Yep, it's 80 proof. It comes in a wicked cool bottle. It's a science flask, right? Is that what that's
Yeah.
called? Beaker? No, it's not a beaker. It's a flask.
Flask.
Flask, yeah.
Really cool. Might have to steal some from work.
You could put a little green food color in there and pretend you're Herbert West, and you'd be like, that one went right over your head.
Yeah.
The Reanimator, man.
Oh, okay.
That was a great Terrible B movie.
Well, you and I have different likings in movies, so I like good ones.
I like cheese.
All right, so the cost was $21.99. That puts it at a 3-barrel rating. Aroma, we looked at aroma, and we did talk quite a bit about how this, for a vodka, has an aroma.
Yeah.
And it was a rather pleasant aroma. In fact, we had given it a 4
Because
on
it doesn't
aroma.
got that bite or anything that.
It's not an alcohol sting, but it actually has an aroma, which surprised us when we first did it. Because it's not a flavored vodka. It's just vodka. And we also talked quite a bit about trying our vodka straight out of the freezer, and I just forgot to put this in. We've been really busy lately, and things are just getting a lot of.
Because we talked
lot more
about doing a
hectic.
sample of room temperature and
Right.
the cold stuff.
But we gave this a 4 for aroma. It's like a highway here of dogs. And so flavor. It had kind of a moderate flavor.
Not bad.
And we gave it a 3 as moderate. It's not assaulting, which comes with the bite or anything. It was in fact, in bite, we gave it a mild, a 4.
Yeah, because it doesn't have a really. There's a little teeny bit of an after, but other than that,
This was a complete surprise to us.
we thought it was kind of just some kind of gimmicky.
Cheesy thing. But,
Yeah,
but it's obviously not. It's gluten free and GMO free and
kosher.
ultrasonic and kosher and thrice distilled. So yeah,
No, 6 times distilled.
I thought you said 3 times.
3 times, fool.
That would be thrice.
6
Oh,
times.
6 times.
I'm pretty sure he still said 3 times.
I'm pretty sure he did
Let's do an
too.
instant replay.
So what is 6? If it's not thrice, it's not quad.
Next time.
I don't know. It's double thrice distilled.
Double triced.
Double thrice. Yeah, and we thought that this was worth it. Now, this is a 750, so the bottle is kind of misleading. It looks tiny.
Mm-hmm.
But it is a 750, so $21.99 for a 750 isn't that bad of a price for vodka.
And because it is good, but it is kind of gimmicky, it's something cool just to like put on.
Buy some cheap vodka and pour it back in there when it's empty. Making an infinity vodka.
And then everybody comes over and says, "I like that video you guys did. That's something. Let me try it." And then you pour on the cheap vodka.
We also talk a lot about how you drink things, and you know, vodka to me would be something that you put with orange juice or, you know, as a mixer. But I have no problem just drinking. I wouldn't shot it because I don't like shots, but just little sips here and there. This is pretty good.
And there is one of the channels
Martinis
that we watch, and the guy says vodka is just something you put into something that's non-alcoholic to make it alcoholic.
Right.
Which I don't know. I enjoy vodka. So.
I do too. So I'm glad we're back to recording. We'll probably try to be a little bit more careful in sound and make sure that we don't overdo it. Because normally we sit down and we record 1, 2, 3, 4 episodes at a time, sometimes 5.
And
If we're throwing
check
some
them
and not have the time to check because we're at a very time-oriented thing, because we have people that work nights, like my wife, and we want to get that done before she gets up, goes to work, and then we have other family members living.
Also, we were kind of on a hectic, kind of mixed up.
Yeah, we're on a hectic schedule.
And I think now that like summer's kind of like starting to wane.
Well, and that's another big thing is because we're working hard, or I'm on summer break, so I'm not as working as hard as you are, but you are. You and Cody are working hard, and it's so dang hot.
Yeah.
That the last thing you want to do is clean up to record and drink. You just
Work
rather go
out
have
in
cold beer.
hot and then come and drink a whole bunch of booze. That's a
Cold beer, maybe, but not a lot of
yeah.
booze.
So I think now we're going to kind of try to get back into our regular schedule.
So make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Check out our blog and Twitter, and tell us how we did on this episode, because we really do want to try to improve our sound.
Yeah.
I think our new camera will be here probably within the next 4 or 5 weeks. Is our plan, and that'll probably change a lot of things. And I think my construction crew's getting back to work a little bit this week.
Yeah.
Maybe finish up some stuff. Now, we're not moving into a studio yet. That's still a ways off.
Yeah, that's going to be still
Probably the new year before we get that finished. But right now, we're just trying to get what we have around here a little more pleasant to look at. I need another bookcase, which is sitting over there, up because this is getting a little bit out of hand behind us. As you can see, the bookcase behind you is full. I got stuff in the cabinet, stuff on the floor.
And then the overflow bookcase is starting to get...
Yeah, it's actually on another case next to it. So we're working on trying to get things cleaned up. And I think that you guys are taking stuff home now, aren't you? I know Cody is.
We can.
No, I'm going to try to do a little bar cleanup here.
Yeah. All right, so we'll see you next time, right?
All right.
My quote doesn't really work for this.
But we can still...
Cheers.
Later.
We'll see you next time. Ready for martinis? Ready for martinis? A little lemon twist.
This would actually make a darn good martini.
All right.
I would do that.